Hi, Lucas. Is your first canoe?
Yeah.
You gonna learn?
Yeah, put your thing in the air. Yay!
Yay!
Okay, here we go.
Let's go, Lucas.
Okay. We're going to do a one quick spin around and then we're going to go around. Okay, wait a sec here. Nope, you're going to put it that way. Yep, your hand the other way. Like that. Yeah, and that's it. Paddle forward and backward. Take it out of the water. There you go. Like that. Good, Lucas, you're doing it. That's good. Excellent.
Right, go. Lucas' first canoe trip on Victoria Day weekend in 2008. Not the best weather, but kids having fun. And see what Louise is doing?
Huh?
Let's see what Louise is doing. What Louise is doing?
I'm eating cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Yellow ones and the chocolate chip ones.
Yummy. Do you have fun?
Yes.
Canoeing?
Uh-huh.
Let's go see Lucas again. He's coming.
Okay.
You gonna paddle, Lucas? Let's go. I want to see you working. Let's go. Work.
See you paddle.
Paddle.
Hey, Weeze.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, guys. Yeah.
Let's go, Lucas.
Okay, Lucas.
I want to see you going. Let's go.
All right, here we go.
Good boy.
First spin.
Let's go. Do you like doing the canoe, Louisa?
Yes.
You did? What do you like the most?
Paddling.
You learn?
Uh-huh.
You're not scared?
No.
No. Very good. Now you have swimming lessons, huh?
Yeah.
So you're not scared of the water. Careful.
Because in the water I burp. I go in the water, let my nose open, I go like that, and then when I come out, I go.
You're silly. Okay, guys. I think it will be enough.
If you come here, you can see them more.
It's far away now. That's okay. I think we get enough of Lucas. That's gonna shot over here. Kalarn. And this is Bell Lake. Nobody's here but us. Our campsite and Louise eating. Nobody else is here. And there they go. Okay.